Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online and how to start your own YouTube channel. So if you don't already follow me, I have two different YouTube channels. Both of them are making me money each month. This one, which has over 212,000 subscribers, and also my Sparkle English channel, which has almost 80,000 subscribers. Now, one thing I want to mention is that I have never paid for any ads or anything to grow these channels. It has all been done organically at the time of this video. So one of the things I have done to increase my subscriber count and get more engagement, more people interacting with my videos, is making use of the community tab. So this is something that so many creators completely ignore, and it's my little secret that I'm going to share with you. And I say it's my secret because I see a lot of people not taking advantage of this, and it really has had such an impact on the growth of my YouTube channels. So you can see here that earlier this week I created this image poll. I asked everyone, do you have a laptop or a PC? I'm giving them 4 different options, and I created these graphics using Canva so quickly, and you can see that this has had almost 2,000 votes already. And what's great about image polls is you can also link up here to other videos of yours, or you can even include affiliate links to products perhaps that you are promoting. And people just love to vote. I mean, they just love to vote. If I scroll down here, I've created another image poll, but I actually added text on this one. However, there is the option on YouTube to create text polls as well. In my experience, people seem to enjoy the image polls more, but you can see here, this is a text poll, and you can also do this. The benefit with the text poll is you can give more options and you can write out much more text. This poll I did 2 months ago had over 3,000 votes. And some people that commented on this poll said that they actually don't subscribe to me and had never seen my channel before, but they saw this poll pop up and wanted to vote. So this is a great way for you to get people to see your channel, to vote on different things. You can also ask people on here what kinds of videos they want you to create, and that way you'll know that when you do create these videos, they're going to get more views. So you can see I also make use of this feature on my English channel, and people just love to vote. I think it's just human nature. Now I want to show you another example channel and show you how these polls can really impact your subscriber count. So this channel here has 541,000 subscribers, but if you go to the community tab and you scroll down, some of his polls have almost 4 million views. So people are seeing these polls and engaging in these polls even when they're not subscribing to him. And his are so crazy. He asks, what's the real logo color of Lego? And people just want to vote and say that they know the answer. All of these crazy different polls that people are just enjoying voting in and engaging in. And he does this all the time and it works. And so I want you guys to do the same thing. So let's talk about how we can do that. The first thing is that it is here on the community tab. So when you go to your profile icon, you can click on your channel, and then you can click here on community. And that's how you will access the community tab, where you can post images, image polls, text polls, videos, and more. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is that in my experience, sometimes I will click on video and I'll share a link to a video that I've already created. But I really find that polls are my better option for getting people to click on my video links. Because if I scroll down here, you can see 2 months ago, I shared a link to my video and I clicked on share a video to my OpenAI playground tutorial, and only 15 people clicked like. Whereas if I'm posting a poll, I'm getting 1,000, 3,000 votes on the poll. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll post a poll like this and make sure at the top here to click in a link to a related video to encourage people to click on that link and check out that video. So polls are a great way to get people to watch your content. Another way that you can access this tab is by clicking here on Create, and this is where you upload videos or you go live, and you can click Create Post. Now, if this option does not pop up for you, let me know, and I'll create a video on how you can enable it. So from here, you're going to select either image poll or text poll. So for this, let's click on text poll, and we're going to do an example. I'm going to ask my community, what do you struggle with most? And I'm going to put punctuation, spelling, grammar, and just click add another option if you want to add more options. You can see that you have up to 65 characters and you only have 5 options. So sometimes what I'll do to even encourage people to comment is put here other and then comment below. So let's do that this time. And you can also schedule your posts. So right here you can click on schedule post, and let's say you decide, okay, I'm going to take 30 minutes right now to create 10 different posts and have them scheduled, one for every day this week. So what you can do here is then choose the time and the date and then click schedule. And then down here you'll be able to click on your scheduled posts. For me, I just want to post this now, so I'm going to click on the X and then just click post. Here's my poll, and as people start to vote, I'll see this vote increase and I'll see right here what their votes are. Okay, now we're going to go on my Jennifer Marie channel and we're going to create an image poll, a custom image poll. Okay, so I'm going to click on image poll, and you can see here we've got option 1, option 2, and you can have up to 4 different options. If you want to remove an option, just click on this delete icon here. So I'm going to ask the community, successful YouTube channel, what niche would you pick? Now what we need to do is add images. You can click here on image and you're going to locate your image. Now for these images, you want it to be a square size. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly create custom images. The best way is just to open up Canva, and Canva is completely free. I've linked you to my referral link in the description below if you want to sign up with Canva. We're going to click here on create a design. And then we're going to click right here on custom size. It should say custom size. Let's put 600 by 600 pixels. So let's click on the background here and we can change the color. So you can go ahead, choose whatever color you want. You can even add a gradient color if you want. Now let's click on elements and you can type in whatever element you want. So I'm going to type in gaming. So I've added this icon and I'm going to make it nice and big, and to change the color of the icon, click here and I'm going to choose white. Okay, so I think that looks great. Now I need 4 different images. So you have 2 options. You can click on share and then click here on download and download the image. Or an easier way to do it is to duplicate this 4 times and then download them all at once. But what I'm going to do is click here on duplicate page, and I'm going to do the next one. So we've got gaming. I wanted to do like arts and crafts. Okay, let's pick this icon, change the color so it's white. Then I'm going to click duplicate page again, erase this by clicking on the element and clicking delete. So you can see here as we scroll up, we see all of our elements. Let's type in cooking. Okay, like this element here, again, make it nice and big. And one more. Duplicate page, erase this icon. Okay, and the last one I'm going to do like a beauty channel. So now what we can do is click share and click download. So you can download all pages at once, but that will have it in a little zip file that you have to unzip. Or you can individually just click, okay, first I want to download page 1, then page 2. I'm just going to download all pages and click done and then download. So now we'll go back to our image poll. We'll click on the icon and we'll upload each of the images. So you can either just leave it like that and just leave it as option 1, or you can just type in gaming to go along with it. And we've got our arts and crafts. So you can see here that you only have up to 14 characters. So you have to minimize the word count for the image polls. And if you did not upload an image that was a perfect square, you'd be able to click here on reposition images and you'd be able to move it as you want. Now because mine were all perfectly square sized, I don't have to do that. And you can also schedule this by clicking on the arrow and clicking schedule post. So you might want to check out what the best times are when people are on YouTube, but really doesn't matter because people will vote whenever they see the poll. And then just click post. Another thing you can do is, let's say you want to create an image poll with text, as I did here. What we can do is go here to text. You could even choose any of these text templates if you wanted, or just click add a heading and then type in whatever it is. So let's say I wanted to just type in gaming like that, Then you can choose whatever font you want, choose the color you want, and then increase the size. You could even add an icon as well by going back to elements and doing that. And you can have fun with this because you can change the color scheme so it matches your brand as well. So this is just a great way that you guys can interact with your audience and even interact with people who have not yet subscribed to your channel and are checking your channel out or somehow come across your poll. So I recommend you guys try this out. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section of this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.